Hello, this video demonstrates how we are using OAuth scopes to use the Google Drive data. So basically I'm going to demonstrate this in two steps. First of all, I'm going to show it for a user which is a tenant admin. And in the second step, I will be showing the behavior for a user which is not a tenant admin, but a normal user under the same tenant. So the screen which you see in the front is basically a welcome screen for Adobe Acrobat for Google Drive app. So the tenant I'm going to use is basically an in-house tenant. Now let's start with first flow for a user which is basically a tenant admin user. Click on select a Google Drive file, which will take me to select an account, which is basically a Google Drive account. So first of all, I'm going to select akash.kumar@signintegration.com, which is an admin for tenant signintegration.com. So let's click on this account. It took me to the screen, this app is not verified. Click on advanced, go to acrobat.com, unsafe. This is the auth consent screen on which user will give permission to the following scopes. Among these scopes, view users on your domain is the scope we are using to determine if user is admin for tenant or not. This permission is basically mapped to admin.directory.user.readonly scope of Google that we are using to determine if user is admin for tenant or not. So let me allow the user to accept these permissions by clicking on the Allow button. So let me now demonstrate the utilization of this scope. This has opened the file picker of the Google Drive account for a user which is a tenant admin that I have selected previously. Let's select a file and open it with Google Drive, Adobe Acrobat for Google Drive app. Here we have option for view plans, which is visible to tenant admin users only. So basically at the back end, we are using the APIs to check whether this is a tenant admin or not. And on the basis of that, we are displaying the view plans button. So now let's move on to the next part of this demonstration where I will be demonstrating the behavior for a user which is not a tenant admin. For that user, you will not see the view plans button. So let's start a new flow from the welcome screen. So this is the welcome screen for the Adobe Acrobat for Google Drive app. I'm going to select a Google Drive file, but this time I'm going to select test user at the signintegration.com account, which is a normal user under the signintegration.com tenant. Let's click on this. Showing me this app is not verified, go to advanced. Go to acrobat.com unsafe. Again, I do see the consent screen on which user will give permission to the following scopes, and this scope view users on your domain will determine if it is the admin for a tenant or not. Let's allow these permissions by clicking on Allow button. It will open up the file picker for the Google Drive account for a non-admin user. Now I'm clicking on Select, and this will open up the PDF file in the using Adobe Acrobat for Google Drive app. Click on Edit, and here you can notice that the View Plans button is not visible to a user. So it is not visible because this user is not an admin for a tenant. So this demonstrates how we are using the OAuth scopes to determine if the user is the admin for a tenant or not. Thank you.